Yay! Hello everyone, welcome to Activity Learning Tutorials. Today we are going to learn in the Leader of Success and Life Transformation series about the 5 A's of leadership. To start with and to begin with, are you ready to transform your life and change it as a leader and attain that ultimate potential to reach your success, to become that powerful person to attain your goals? So the first A in the 5 A stands for achievement. The second A stands for the acknowledgement. The third A stands for adaptability and agility. The fourth A stands for approachable. And the fifth A stands for amplification of all your previous A's. Alright. To start with achievements. So every time, aim to achieve the business milestones by setting an example for achieving the growth and the organizational objectives. Always, whether you are working in an industry or if you are doing any business or if you are doing your own work or as an entrepreneur you want to launch your own work, aim to achieve the milestones or the goals or the achievements or the targets which you have set for yourself or for your profit, for your growth, for your endless pursuit to pursue that passion, right? So go after it madly and try to achieve your 100%. Even if you are closer to 80%, it does make sense and you will see the remarkable results, right? So wish you all the best in achieving that. Number 2, acknowledgement. Acknowledge and appreciate the great initiatives and applaud great efforts and result. Always, always, always try to acknowledge and appreciate the hard work done by the employees, the great efforts taken by all the employees. You need to acknowledge and inspire them and appreciate them. So acknowledgement plays a very important role in empowering the people looking up to you, all the employees who are working under you or who are working with you or look up to you as a role model, right? Number 3, adaptability and agility. So one of the very basic principles which goes far and beyond and in the long run it is going to help us is ready to adapt to new technology. Are you ready to implement those new processes and new technologies and the new skills which are there in the market? Are you already acquainted? Are you already equipped with all the resources required to adapt and implement those changes or implement those technologies or work on those new tools? Or are you still thinking and are you still training people on that? Are you still thinking to train people on that? Go ahead and just make that leap of faith. With the leap of faith, make that change happen, right? So be ready to adapt to new technology and processes for the betterment and tools and implement the policies to quantify your trends, your results, your patterns or the scale of that phenomenon, right? And agility is like being agile and maintain industrial harmony, relationships and business demands, delivering with high quality standards with no compromise on the quality and delivering your high outputs and with commitment to deliver it on time, on promised time for which you have set your timelines, right? That is majorly important. The next A stands for approachable. You must be approachable to listen to the problems and ready to work on finding those solutions. So if you are approachable, then only you will be able to hear what the employees are going through or what is the actual problem which is surfacing underneath, right? In order to find the root cause and do further analysis or lend a helping hand, you need to understand the problem first. So be approachable to listen. You have to be a good listener as well, right? So approachable also covers that part. Next is amplification. Last but not least, and the very important factor in anyone's success or your success to become a leader and be phenomenal and top-notch in your profession. So amplify what you have acquired, multiply it n number of times, n folds, and get your return on investments, right? Able to acquire new leads and business growth and amplify return on investments, your ROI. Your ROI is your earnings. Your ROI is the rewards for your hard work, for your efforts, right? So these were my 5 A's. Hope you like it and they are going to help you out to reach your ultimate potential. And do like, follow and connect with me for more insights on leadership training, coaching and mentoring sessions. Hope you have a nice day. See you later. Bye-bye. Thank you.